Good morning. We have a 2025 Honda Pilot. We're adding a prox key. They have one key. Carvana wants them to have two. Let me test this key. It's weird to me that the factory key has a trunk picture when it's a hatch. My key has hatch, so hopefully it actually works. If that button doesn't work it because it's a trunk button, how do I turn this arrow? With the off button. Weird. Alright, did automatic selection, smart key, push to start. Honda Pilot, yes. We're going to go to control unit, keyless system. This is going to be the same as any other Honda. They've all been the same forever. The process is the exact same thing. Ignition turned on, start button twice, yes. Let's check the number. Two keys are registered. Just don't understand how a brand new car comes with a key with the wrong buttons. Yes, yes. Ignition switch off. We're gonna have to take my key out of the car, which I knew that. I should have started with the new key on programming, not in it. Alright. We've done that, so we're going to hit OK. Ignition on. Now I have just their key in the car, like it said. Alright, ignition's on. Vehicle condition checking. And now we're going to take their key out. All keys out. Alright. Okay, now we're going to bring mine back. Okay, my key is in here. Okay, again. Turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and that's basically going to be it. Ignition off, okay. Alright, the ignition turned on, meaning it's taken my key. It's going to ask if the lights are off. Yes, they are. Alright, now we can hop back in. We're going to turn on and off a couple times, start the car. Alright, ignition off. Right back on. Registration is completed. Turn the ignition switch off. Start the car. Oops, it said don't start it and I started it. Alright, ignition on. It's looking for just ignition off. We'll let it running because that's what it said. Alright, so start it back up. Let's see if that hatch works now. Yes, it does. Look at that. The car does the right thing if you have the right buttons. Crazy how that works. So we're all set here. We're just going to cut the emergency key and move on to the next one.